Many of our guests are attracted to the Nelson region by its worldwide reputation as a trout fishing paradise. Crystal clear waters, pristine rivers, large wild brown trout, and Nelson's famous blue skies provide an irresistible lure to discerning fishermen from around the world. Stonefly Lodge can be reached by helicopter from Nelson or by private hire car. Whether by air or on the ground, we can get you here quickly and in comfort. There are dozens of great fly fishing waters surrounding the lodge, easily reached by four-wheel drive. With helicopter access, we can fish dozens more world-class rivers in the Kahurangi National Park, stalking for that trophy trout. We can also provide guides whose intimate knowledge of our local waters will give you the best opportunity at pitting your skills against the wild brown trout of the South Island. From there, it's up to you. Stonefly Lodge has enjoyed visits from fly fishermen from around the world, and memories of those visits to Stonefly have travelled back with our guests thanks to some stunning shots of those great moments. At the end of a long day's fishing or a trip to one of the Nelson region's other great attractions, Stonefly Lodge offers the perfect setting to enjoy good company, fine food and wine, and the hospitality of your hosts, John and Kate Kerr.